in this question, when Rajesh's age was same as the present age of Garima, the ratio of their ages was 3:2. When Garima's age becomes the same as the present age of Rajesh, the ratio of the ages of Rajesh and Garima will become is the question. Now, three timelines have been discussed in this question. Was the past tense, is the present tense, will be the future tense. And the two persons are Rajesh and Garima. And the ages of Rajesh and Garima are in the ratio 3:2. So let me take Rajesh's age as 3a and Garima age to be 2a. When Rajesh's age was same as the present age of Garima, so when Rajesh was 3a, the present age of Garima should be 3a. And when you compare the present and the past age of Garima, there is an increment of 1a. So the same will be reflected in Rajesh's age. So Rajesh's present age will become 4a. And in the next statement, when Garima age becomes same as the present age of Rajesh. So present age of Rajesh is 4a. So when Garima becomes 4a, that means an increment of 1 more a. So the same will be reflected in Rajesh's age. So Rajesh will become 5a. So Rajesh and Garima age will become what? 5a and 4a, and the ratio between these two is question. So a gets cancelled. So 5:4. So that will be the answer for this question, option A.